Welcome to Art and Cook channel. Today we will see how to prepare pani for pani puri and tamarind chutney. Before that, please click on the red button to subscribe to Art and Cook channel and click on the bell icon to get the first notifications of our new videos. First, let's see how to prepare pani for pani puri. For that, the required ingredients are: I have taken half bowl pudina leaves or mint leaves, 1 bowl coriander leaves, 1 green chilli, 1 garlic clove, a small piece of ginger, 1 small bowl of tamarind pulp, salt half teaspoon, chaat masala half teaspoon, and cumin powder half teaspoon. Let's see the process. So firstly, add mint leaves into a blender, coriander leaves, green chilli, garlic, ginger, and add some water and blend it to a fine paste. Now strain the puree. Now to the strained puree, add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and mix it thoroughly. Finally, add some water to it to make it dilute, and add tamarind pulp and mix it thoroughly. Finally, add a handful of bundi on top of it before serving. Pani for pani puri is ready to serve. Let's see the ingredients for tamarind chutney. Here I have taken 1 small cup of jaggery, which I have cut it into small pieces, a lemon size of tamarind, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, and half teaspoon of salt. Let's see the process. Firstly, add tamarind and jaggery in a pan. Add some water and boil it for 10 minutes in simmer. Now we need to strain this mixture. You can add some water. Now for this pulp, add a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add some water if you want it dilute. Tamarind chutney for pani puri is ready to serve.